1984 is a very dark chapter in our Sikh history, and this Blue Star operation was really conceived and planned. It's not that because of Sanjarnail Singh Bhindranwala, the government, the Indira Gandhi government wanted to teach the Sikhs a lesson and make us economically weak, psychologically weak, in every respect. So they hit us hard, and imagine the day they selected. You see, when innocent yatris were there, no warning, other methods could have been used. So one has to learn from history. Why was it done? And let me tell you, we had a Sikh president, and the other Sikh leaders also, I think, connived with the government. Otherwise, some solution could have been arrived at and this Blue Star operation avoided. But Indira Gandhi was adamant to teach the Sikhs a lesson. We were portrayed as terrorists and anti-national, whereas our record, we are the most national community given the numbers. How many of us have sacrificed our lives during the independence struggle, Kala Pani or Phansi? And this area also is full of martyrs. Shaheed Baba Deep Singh, Shaheed Bhai Taru Singh, Shaheed Baba Tara Singh of Wah, Bota Singh, Garja Singh, Mai Pago. It's all within Bidhi Chand, all within a radius of about 8-9 kilometers. Even during that militancy days, maximum youth of this area was eliminated by the police. And it's not only Blue Star, which was planned and rehearsed in a secret cantonment in UP. I'll give you the name, where they were training also Tibetans to go and fight against the Chinese, Chakrata. The sand model was made, it was rehearsed, and hats off to a Dogra general who refused to go into this operation, Jamwal. And they selected a drinking, smoking Sikh, Bulbul Barad, to carry out this operation. And imagine tanks were used. They could have starved the people, they could have cut out the electricity, they could have cut out the water, but they want maximum result so that the Sikhs don't come up again, psychologically, physically, economically. So, and after this Blue Star, they did this Black Thunder, and then there was Operation Woodrose, which most of the people do not know. The army circulated instructions, because it was emergency, then army was in control, that a young Sikh with flowing beard and Amritari wearing a kirpan, 25 to 30 years of age, he is a criminal, please detain him and hand him over to the nearest police station. So the army did that, Operation Woodrose, and thousands of Sikh youth were that way caught and in fake encounters. That's how Jaswant Singh Khalda, on 3 cremation grounds, a list of 3,000 youth who were cremated, saying unclaimed. And even the so-called commissions, the International National Human Rights Commission, CBI inquiries, they have only said about 1,100. And what is the compensation? It's a joke, less than 2 lakhs. So it's and our leadership has failed. The Sikh leadership has also failed. We only talk of Operation Blue Star, we talk of riots in Delhi. What have we done for those people? Have we done anything? Katre katre nal darya ban jande ne. We should get together, unite, people living abroad, people here, our government. We call it a Panthik government, the Kali government, but there's nothing Panthik about it. It is infiltrated by RSS, and they're out to weaken the Sikh Panth. So we must be aware and learn lessons from Operation Blue Star and learn lessons from history, because a nation who cannot learn lessons from history will eventually go